guys, so welcome to this wonderful video. I know that most of you might be wondering how can you actually get paid as a student. Maybe you are still a student or you are still young, you are looking for a way that you are going to get paid online, and you have searched all the websites, you are not seeing any details. Okay, so in this video I'll be showing you the exact way that you are going to be making massive money just by doing a simple task. This is not survey, this is what you have. Okay, so I'll be showing you guys step by step on how to do this, and you can see in the screen that this is how much I have been able to receive from this same website or application. So I'll be sharing to you guys the way and procedures which I have followed to make this kind of money, and it is user friendly. Okay, and which, whether you are 16, whether you are 17, 18 above, you can do this. Okay, so don't say because you are still 16 years old you don't know how to make money online. Okay, with this video I am going to explain step by step ways in which you can make money online without stress. Okay, so stay till the end of this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this video if this video is going to be helpful to you. Okay guys, so let's dive into the tutorial class, and don't forget to pay attention to the class and the details I will be sharing in this video for you to be able to grab everything that you need. So see you, let's move in.
Alright guys, so we are now in the app. So remember that this application, this website also have an application, so which you can as well download if you wish to download the application. So let's move forward to know what this website is all about. So this website name is goodnovo.com, which you can get the link to the description of this video. But before then, just pay attention and understand what this actually does. Okay, so first of all, so in this website we have exclusive and we have non-exclusive. Okay, so now you see that this exclusive, you say that signing bonus plus completion bonus plus monthly attendance bonus. Then inside this the same website we have another thing that is non-exclusive. Okay, this non-exclusive which comes with a lot of bonuses, and then when the book is completed on Good Novel first and has over 150k words or more, so you're going to be receiving like an offer just like this. So let's just go ahead and click on this exclusive and see what this exclusive is about. So now you see that completion of completion bonus here. If you corner, I don't want this video to be too long though. Then you see that when completed 150k to 200k words, and the total profit shared reaches $40 when marked as completed. Okay, so what does this mean? Actually, this website, it is where you are going to be publishing your books, your novel. Okay, for people that is writer, and for most of you that is not a writer, I can as well teach you on how to become a good writer as well, using just simple tools which I will not mention here. I will guide you through on how to do that in case if you want to learn. So all you need to do is just to send me a DM using the WhatsApp link I'm going to be dropping on this description. Just send me a DM, I will teach you on how to do that without even stressing yourself. Okay, so let us move forward for this case. So like I said earlier, I don't want this to be a bulky video where you're going to spend minutes watching. So let's go to the next thing, how to register this account. It is very, very simple on how to register the account. Okay, so for you to get registered, when you click on the link, it's going to bring you to an interface just like this, where you're going to see Facebook, Google, and continue with your email. Okay, so in this case I'm going to be continuing with my email address, which I will just click here. Then you can enter your email address and enter your password, and then click on register. Okay guys, so for you to register in this account, so just use your Google account. So just use your Google account to just register. Okay, so now what you're going to do when you see yourself in this surface here, you see that these are novels that which you can just see how it is, and then look from it and know the one you're going to kind of bring up, what you're going to write about, the what you have, the ideas. Okay, you just get your ideas from here and say, okay, since this one is talking about this, let me find something that is interesting and see what is ranking and then write about it. Okay, so that is just exactly what you're going to do. Okay, so now let's go into and see how to create those novels. So now you see that in these novels now we have romance, werewolf, mafia, system, fantasy. So all these are just like novels. You see short stories, you see romance, emotional. So all these things are just like what you can just pick from. So now for you to be able to create, because you have already looked into the writers and benefits here, which you have seen what you're going to be receiving on the writers benefits. Okay, so now for you to be able to partake in all those things, you need to get started. hello, you need to really get started. So on your own free time, just go through this and see your requirements and what you are going to, you know, get from all this. Okay. So, but for the sake of this video, we are going to see how to create one of these books. Okay. So if you see here, you see book cover, you see title, you see language. So when you want to create, you can just click on next. Okay. Once you just do all these things, you click on next, then it's going to bring you to the next page where you're going to see where you paste your book. So let's just do that now. Okay. So just random stuff, then click on they add a book cover, then just upload a book cover from your device if you have one. So from here now, I'm going to just find one of my books and then upload just as cover. So you get. So I will just keep this one, just this, and then I'll click on the next thing, female or male, the one you want to target. Then your audience can be like 16 plus. Okay. Then after you select all these things, you click on next. You see where you're going to paste in your chapters and all these things. So you see, please write a description for your story within 20 to 300 words. So all these things I'll be teaching you guys on how to do those things, how to write a novel that is going to sell. Okay. Because the thing there is just for people to just click your novel and read your novel. So you get paid for all these things. Okay. So all you need to do is to just use the number you're saying. If you already have your book, you can just publish your book using the same method. Okay. So, but if you don't have a book and you want to learn on how to write a well-detailed novel, all you need to do just use the number, or sorry, use the link, and I'm going to drop on the description to get to me. Then we sort it out. And remember, when you are coming, just know that it is not free. It might cost you a little, but it won't cost you much. So thank you for watching, and please do well to subscribe. Thank you so much.